Love, a force that knows no bounds, often encounters the complexities of religious disparities, posing challenges yet offering opportunities for profound growth. Join us on a journey as we explore the art of navigating relationships across different faiths, fostering understanding, respect, and unity amidst diversity. In a world where love transcends barriers, the intersection of different faiths in romantic relationships presents both enriching possibilities and unique challenges. This video delves into the delicate balance of navigating love across religious differences, offering insights on fostering harmony and mutual respect amidst diversity. At the core of navigating love across religious disparities lies the recognition and acceptance of each other's beliefs as integral parts of one's identity. Rather than viewing differences as obstacles, embrace them as threads that enrich the tapestry of your relationship. Understanding the significance of diverse faiths lays the foundation for empathy, tolerance, and mutual appreciation. Effective communication serves as the cornerstone of any relationship, especially when traversing the terrain of religious disparities. Encourage open dialogue where both partners feel valued and understood. Approach discussions with curiosity and humility, seeking to learn from each other's perspectives without judgment. Cultivating an environment of mutual respect fosters deeper connection and understanding, while love may conquer many obstacles. Navigating through religious disparities may present unique challenges. From differing religious practices to familial expectations, acknowledge these hurdles with resilience and grace. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, viewing compromise and understanding as catalysts for strengthening your bond. Approach conflicts with empathy and patience, recognizing that mutual respect is essential in overcoming differences. As you journey through love across religious boundaries, celebrate the shared values and aspirations that bind you together. Embrace the richness of diversity within your relationship, weaving together traditions and customs from both faiths. Create rituals that honor each other's beliefs, fostering a sense of unity amidst diversity. By celebrating shared values, you forge a path of harmony and inclusivity in your relationship. At the heart of navigating love across religious disparities lies the profound recognition that unity can thrive amidst diversity. Embrace the beauty of your unique backgrounds and perspectives, recognizing that love transcends religious boundaries. By fostering an environment of mutual respect, understanding, and inclusivity, you cultivate a relationship that serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration. The conclusion is, love, a force that transcends all boundaries, has the power to bridge the gap between different faiths, fostering unity in diversity. As we navigate the complexities of love across religious differences, let us approach each other with empathy, respect, and open-mindedness. By celebrating our shared values and honoring our diverse beliefs, we pave the way for profound connections that transcend the limitations of religious disparity. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe, comment and share this video, so that this channel can continue to provide useful videos. See ya!